Good night.
Alrighty then. Good evening, my students, and how are you doing today?
Hi, sir. How do you do?
Good
Nice.
evening, sir. How are you?
You know,
Good
it's
evening, not so bad.
it could have been worse, and I'm just giving thanks that I'm alive, I don't know how many of you would have seen in social media some Miss Jamaica, somebody, Lady Girl B.
Yes,
Um,
girl. Yes, sir. Spalding.
right. It is sad, and you don't play with somebody's mental health, because when somebody is going through something, we have to be very mindful of it. And if you have a friend, a family member, somebody who is in your corner and they have expressed something to you, don't wash it off. Hold on, let me just switch devices. Um, switching.
Hi, sir. Good night. Just letting you know that I'm still on the road trying to get home.
Yes, my
So if
lord.
I'm probably not participating, that is why.
All right,
Apologies.
yeah, man, just be safe and hurry up and get in.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
no man, no problem. But students, hear me out now, and I want you to listen to me well. Take care of your mental health. I don't want anybody to tell you that you can't pass pre-calculus, or you don't, or you're good for nothing. But we are go to school for. So you're a waste of time. Don't allow anybody, I could have your mother or your father, don't make nobody put you down. If you are going through something, students, find somebody to talk to. It doesn't have to end like how this nice looking young lady has ended her life. It does not have to be like that. Find somebody, find a teacher. Your chances are your lecturer is maybe even closer to you than the guidance counselor who you don't have a relationship with. Find somebody you can talk to. This is a situation that I'm going through, right? Um, I don't want to give you any specificity of something, because some years ago a student called me one morning about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I heard my phone ringing and I was like, but who could have called me? I said, but student out order. Why student are coming them time here? And in the background I heard waves. I said, why you sound like at the beach? And the student said, this is it. I'm taking my life. And I just decided to call you to tell you. I was like, oh no, guess what? I want to sleep. We can't finish my sleep and come talk to me at school a little later. Make me sit down and talk. And the student said, okay. And as much as how I hung up the phone and sleeping with one eye, I met with the student the following morning. I never went to any of my classes, and I sat down and I spoke with the student. I was going through some serious problems. And I just encourage the student to finish. People around you saying that you're good for nothing, and come out to nothing, and you're going to get pregnant, this, and you're going to do this. And listen, find somebody to chat to. And if you feel say that somebody going to go and take your story, go give somebody else, find one stranger. We don't know you. Find somebody, students, to talk to. Life rough. Excelsior breed you down for school fee. Your landlord a call you for rent. Them a go come back for the little car. Your mortgage not pay. You picking them hungry. School fee not pay. For them school fee not pay. Your school fee not pay. You have it rough. You go to work and you don't know where you go to work for, because you can't see your ends meet, and you try the school business so you can get like a promotion. It rough. It rough. It rough. But I beg of you tonight, find someone to talk with. Find somebody who you can trust with us. Say, yo, this is the situation. You don't need to take your lives. Please don't. Please don't. Come talk to somebody. With that said, I hope you're encouraged by those few words. And I hope that tonight will see you understanding a little bit more of what it is that I hope tonight you'll find an opportunity to learn a little bit more and to appreciate more the content that is being presented. I hope that tonight I'll have more people just opening up and just having conversations with me about, thank you, about what it is that you are doing and the challenges that you may have. It starts here, students. This you can realize your dreams. One other motivation, invite the person to come to this class and talk to you. And I know she's not going to feel in a way about it. And I'm going to invite her. Today's what? Today is Thursday. I'm going to see if I can invite her. You're welcome, Malik. I'm going to invite her to my class next week. I know she may have evening classes, but I'm going to ask her if I just take 15 minutes and come talk to you guys. I met a student some time ago. She's still at the college. I met a student some time ago. Very nice student. Very nice student. But guess what? She is an ancillary staff in a school. And I'm telling you the story because I've used her so many times and I know she's not going to feel in a way. And this student of mine will say to me, sir, the school people, them they have no manners. Them go to bathroom and them leave the bathroom in an unsightly manner. And sir, you know, so I have to go inside there and clean it. I said, are you serious? She said, yes, sir. Them have the manners, them cuss you, them cuss this and them. And I was like, wow. And she decided that she's going to come to school to do some work. Hey. She said, sir, my co-worker, the same ancillary staff people, them, you know, and people and supervisors say, old people don't go to school and she waste her time. And they demotivated that young lady so much. But when she came to school, I was her biggest cheerleader. I was her biggest cheerleader. Do you know what is happening? She has 4 more courses to finish off her associate degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those 4 courses will finish in this semester. Her associate degree. No, me tell her, say, when you done it, I will write you the nicest recommendation. Because me want you to go in the same school there and you go put up the mop and the bucket and the apron and the gloves and the washcloth. And you go step in her stockings and you go step in a suit because you go there and go turn teacher. Teacha. Right? And that is the aim of what it is that I've been journeying with the student from day one. So let me tell you something. And I want to start. I want to finish. And I don't care if, sir, you know, say me are 40 or me are 50. I don't care. Come to school and show respect and do what you're supposed to do. God will see you through. That student has 1, 2, 3, 4 more courses to finish off the associate. I mean, I tell the students, say, yo, bird can't fly upon one wing. You have 2 more years to the bachelor's. But, sir, I said, I don't care. You're going to do the bachelor's. I mean, I go in her skin until she register come January to start the bachelor's. And, you know, they should have finished before, you know, but she took some time off and I can understand. I understand the situation. All right? But students, be encouraged. I don't know why I come to class tonight. I'm supposed to be teaching, you know. I'm not talking to you about this. I don't know why. Even one person in the class out of the 37 of you know, would be encouraged by that. I would have done what it is that the Lord wanted me to do. All right. Let's just move on now. Um, hey, Britt, what's up?
Chantal Walker.
You sound muffled, mommy. I can hardly make out what you're saying.
Chantal Walker. She will not be in class today.
Sorry, I just heard in class today. Who not making it into class today?
Chantal
Oh,
Walker.
Oh, Chantal Walker. No problem. No problem. I hope she is okay. I hope she's okay.
Also,
Um,
everybody, Mr. Shand, have you gone through the list for the persons that need to be um approved down area for the prerequisites?
right. I got, I got,
Let me
I
check.
got some more. I got some more. No, I don't check yet because I got some more
Okay.
information today from the School of Business. I just did something a while ago and changed something, and I need to. Okay, I think I know what happened. Um,
For me, to sir, sorry to interrupt, but I'm still not seeing them on my canvas.
yeah. Don't worry about it. As I say, I was saying, I got something from School of Business today. So I'm gonna go through those again. It will come in, I apologize. It will come in. Um, there was a little hitch with some of the grades, and that's the reason the stuff never came in. So, all right, we're in a class. Let me tell you what I discussed with you here. I know it's been recorded, but it's going to stay here. All right. So some of you couldn't get the override because I was only seeing a foundation one on it. The foundation two grades came in, but I didn't receive a copy of it. So when I spoke with the lecturer yesterday, the lecturer said to me, "No, Mr. Shan, the grades were in." So I asked the lecturer to send me a copy so that I can be able to do the overrides. So I got some information. I have not checked it yet, but word of mouth is that it was sent. So I will be able, well, clearly not after class tonight because, teacher got really tired and just want to turn over and just sleep. But I should be able now to fulfill the overrides for the rest of the pre-calculus students. And I want and let me just have this conversation with you. And I want you to hear me out. I know you're waiting on the override, some of you. I have not been asking you to leave the class because I don't know yet. For those of you who did not pass Foundation 1 and also failed Foundation 2, and if you're waiting on Foundation 3, that will disqualify you from the pre-calculus. And as a result of that, I would have to pull you from this pre-calculus class. But the good thing about it, one of the things that I was very engaged in working with the School of Business yesterday is to put a Foundation 3 class in place on a weekend. So if you don't fill the prerequisite for the pre-calculus, for this pre-calculus class, I will have to put you into the other foundational classes, either Foundation 1 or Foundation 3, which are being offered this semester so that you can get yourself qualified to be ready for pre-calculus next semester. Now, hear me out and hear me out well. Those persons that are going to be affected, I know you will feel very discouraged, but I am doing what is best for you. If you don't have the prerequisite, it does not make sense that that you are doing something that you're not qualified for. One of the things that I will say to you again, I know based on having a sit down with the registrar doing the overrides that um, some students are. No, man, stay with me. Just close the eyes and listen. Don't look at the screen. Just close the eyes and listen. Nobody knows who I'm talking, but you know yourself. Yeah, just close the eyes and listen. I won't call upon you. Yeah, man. You know where you go with. Thank you, please. Um, I know some of you came in as mature applicants, and what it is that you need to do. You will know what you need to do. I'm not going to talk your business. But students, your teacher is here to support you. I've always done this, and I'm here to do it. Just work with me. All right. So as soon thanks again, Britt. Trust me, every class that I'm teaching, I want she to be my support, my student support. Very useful. So thanks again, Britt. And you'll get final confirmation tomorrow. I will say not tonight. I'm not going to be able to do anything tonight. By tomorrow into the weekend, and there are some of you that I will I will email personally and have conversations with. All right. So, enough of that housekeeping. Are there any other questions before I move into something else?
Yes, sir. I have a question. I
Mm-hmm.
was told when I started that I should not be doing maths, right? So I don't know if I should be in this class. I've been trying to contact the school and no one has been answering me.
You have to go
Okay.
there. It doesn't make sense to call. Go there in person, and you will get you. They'll figure
That's
it
the
out for
thing. I
you.
don't have the time to go up there.
All right. So Rachel, you're saying that they told you that you don't have to do math?
Yes, I was told from the start that I was exempt from maths.
Okay. Which of the math that you're exempted from?
Fundamental math 1 and 2.
Yeah, and that's why you're in pre-calculus.
So I should be here.
Yeah, man. And I don't want to ask you the question. All right, let me see if I can ask you privately. Check your chat, please. All right, check that message for me, please. Okay, yeah, man. So what they say to you is, once students have passed CSET mathematics, the prerequisite for pre-calculus is CSET mathematics. So once it is that you've passed CSET mathematics, a grade 1, a grade 2, or a grade 3, since 1998, you are not required to do the foundational math courses, which are Foundation 1, 2, and 3. For students who are coming as mature applicants or have failed CSET mathematics, should do the foundational courses in math. Now, what it is that I've instructed my team to do is really and truly to do pre-calculus, you need foundations 1,
Excuse me,
2,
sir.
and
When you
3.
finish, you can check the chat.
I am in the chat. Okay, I'm seeing it. I responded to you, Ghana. Where was I? Right. So you what I've instructed my team to do is if you responded to you, do you know? If you pass any two of the three, I will give you a bly to do the pre-calculus. I'll give you a blight. So if you pass foundation 1 and foundation 2, but you fail foundation 3, I'll give you an opportunity to do the pre-calculus, but you have to do the foundation 3 at the earliest offering. All right. So these are some of the ways that we try to
But
facilitate.
what about if you have Foundation 1, you fail 2, and waiting on the grade for 3?
All right. So this is it now. So that's an excellent question, Tracy. So that's where I was going to go actually. So if you pass
Sure,
one,
Britley.
sorry, Brickley, sorry, you know,
I asked her the same thing, girl.
no, it's not that, I'm actually answering your Brit, and then I'm reading a message from Tracy. So forgive me. It's a senior moment. Um, Tracy, that was you answering her, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So that's what I'm saying. I'm reading your message, but I'm answering her. Right. So if you pass foundation 1, fail 2, but you're waiting on 3, I am down for 3, and I'm trying to get over. I'm getting those papers out. There is an issue. CCCJ was on campus yesterday, and I spoke about the issue that I'm having in the Foundation 3. There's an issue that I am working on, so which is why it's taken this long. The vice principal was in the meeting, and I spoke about it, and I told him exactly why it is giving me a difficulty to mark, because my students will not. I can't tell you the exact thing, but I say to them that my students should not be penalized for anything of the sort, right? So I have an issue. So that's why it is taking me this long. Now, you are going to stay with me until the foundation 3 is out, which hopefully by Monday morning it should be out. That's my target. If when the results come out for the foundation 3, and I know some people have either 1 or 2 already and waiting on the 3, if when 3 comes out and it's a fail, I will have to pull you from the pre-calculus. But guess what? I'll pull you from the pre-calculus, but I'm going to send you over to the foundation 3. I'm sending you over to the foundation 3 so that you can do the 3 at this point in time. All right? Instead of the pre-calculus. I'm keeping you here in the event that you pass it. At least you're not missing out on any of the classes. But if it is that you and the foundation 3 will begin on Saturday for the first time for the semester. So it's not that you can miss out anything greatly from the foundation 3. So if you miss a 1 class, it's not going to be anything too grandiose, so to speak. So those of you who are waiting on the foundation 3, you're not in a bad light, so to speak. I don't know. Am I clear, Brickley and Tracy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, man. So it's a win-win, and yeah, man, that is fine. Laurie, that's fine. That accounts is different from us here over maths. It's different. All right. So I think I've gone through quite a bit of housekeeping, and I mean, I have no problem doing it because I hear that some of them are having a difficulty getting some information. Oh, you know what I spoke to CCCJ about yesterday? Why is it that it's so difficult to find the exam papers online on the website? You know, the ECC website. So they are supposed to be getting back to us to make sure that you guys can go down and download the stuff. So even when I'm in my meetings, I'm thinking about you guys. All right. How are we? How are we with what? I'm looking at the screen. Was there a question that I was supposed to finish and I didn't? I'm wondering. I gave you.
Hi, sir. I have a question.
Go right ahead, please. Question number 6.
So this is my second class. I want to confirm if the classes are recorded and where can I find the recordings?
All right. So the classes are recorded. I have a new device using that I'm actually speaking to you with through now. I can't use it to I don't know how to use it yet to upload something. I'm trying to find it. I can't. So I have a broken device that I'm doing this stuff. I actually took the device with me today, but just didn't get the chance to do the upload. So you will see the upload by the time this recording is made available. You'll see the upload for the other recordings plus this one. So forgive me on that one as well.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, Bree. Trust me, this semester has started off with a bang. I gave you homework, though, you know. For those of you who are here for the first time, you have to pay attention here. I could share this document in the chat, and then you can get a download of it. But I gave you 6 questions last time around, and question number 6 we didn't work out, and I asked you to do it 5x to the 4th times 25x squared. 5x to the 4th times 25x squared.
Sir, would you repeat, sir, in our group and discuss it? And if you want me to tell
Okay.
them how my work
Okay,
is.
fine. Hold on, let me just that's question 6. Today's how much you know.
25.
Whoa, PD. Whoa, and it done already 25. So this was question 6. Wait, you know, 5 what? 5x to the 4th?
5 to the
No.
4th
5 to the 4th.
times 25
Uh-huh.
square
Uh-huh.
over 125.
All right. So I hear that you discuss it in the group. Very nice of you. Tell me what to do.
Sure, so we're gonna break down the 25 and the 125. So it's
To a base.
Be,
Base how much? Yes.
to the second bracket. 2 brackets.
Give back the baby them, sweetie. Go ahead, Jody.
Oh.
All right.
No.
So remember that you're on with there. So 5x to the sorry, I keep saying 5x. So 5 to the 4th. And it's so this will give you 25. I mean 5 squares, don't?
5 to square bracket, open bracket, close bracket, so squared.
Good job. Over
5 cube.
Mhm. Excellent. So me like teacher my students them learn now. So this is 5 to the fourth. Recall.
No, it's
M plus M M
MN.
MN.
Right. So this is gonna be times 5 to the how much? What's your
4.
over
Over
5
5.
times a to the n is equal to a to the mn. No,
M plus N.
m plus n. What is wrong with me? So this is going to be 5 to the
8.
4 plus 4 code over 5 third, which is equals
20.
to
5 to the 8 over 5 to the 3.
Then
mhm.
we would subtract the
5 to the 8.
5 to the 8 minus 5 to the third power.
five to the 5th. Shout out to us.
All right. So at this stage, nobody's going to say what 5 to the, work out what 5 to the 5th is. Don't. You just going to leave it as 5 to the 5th. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Good job. All right. I know there are some of you who weren't here, but I have to move. Let me answer a
Sir,
question. Go ahead, please.
what if you miss a step and you get the same answer? Will you be marked down for it or you still get it?
Maybe the step that you missed is a step that would give you a mark. So maybe you lose that mark.
Okay.
So I'm saying to you, what I don't want you to do is to play shortcut. I don't want any shortcut around here. I want you to be able to do the things that all right. I have 5%. Jeez, can I leave him? I have to tap it the whole day today and 5%. All right, let me see now. I don't want to shut off on me, you know. What do I do? Where do I find this stuff? Guys, let me write a question and then let me write a question a little do know and then let me just go for the my plug-in devices, please. Forgive me. Let me just try and generate a question. Hey, nobody cannot cross this. Hey, only who understand it can cross this. Hey, sir, why me I tell you, see, is it on a teacher?
Sorry, yeah, said food though.
On a teacher with something them know, and then you just turn up the things them. All right, guess what? This one is doable.
Sorry, I don't know. Sorry, I don't know. But oh, this looks so dull. Me can't see good.
You know, so I was wondering the same thing to you know. To be honest with you,
You
hold
know,
on.
Brian, me
Yeah,
can't see
man.
it.
Yeah, man. True thing. When I started doing it, let me see if it's. But it all the way up this. So that's is it all the way up this. So when I started writing, I was saying to myself, why it looks so dull for real. Hold on there.
Dull, maybe at the pencil where you choose at the fine one.
No, man, the final one I use. Well, that's what I thought it was, but
Maybe because something them I did.
yeah, there you go. I think because the tablet is dying. All right, work on that. Let me go sort it out now, please. You're always saying, oh, what I say not smart. That's exactly what is happening. All right, let me mute and then go and try and plug in. Anybody who do this one and get it, I'll go past pre-calculus with that A.
So I think say I give us something more. Come with the wrong go do it a while ago and get it.
No, see, this was oh. See the question, the man. Just work up that question, the man. And it's good to go.
You have to try my best.
All right, good job.
Hello, good night, sir.
He stepped away for a little bit. He's trying to get whatever device he has to charge.
Oh, okay then.
Malik, what kind of things that are going on over there in the chat? You think I'm not seeing it?
Sir, or you can come make me work out. I want to get this book.
And Jody, you over there giving trouble too. I'm seeing it, I'm seeing the mischief. Then then then
Yes, sir.
then then say it again.
Yeah, but please just so because me
Yes,
actually
sir.
then how you going?
Sir, me don't even know.
All right, come. Let's go. Has anybody gotten anywhere looking like it coming up to an answer or got an answer already?
Question. So, sir, would I work out the AB first?
Yeah, you know, work with the partner first. Somebody said this a while ago. Who was that?
A gentleman.
All right. Tell me what it is that you got.
So, 11.
A to the power of 5.
5?
Yeah, that's what I got. And B,
You wrong.
no, but well, I'm not sure. But be confident. Like.
You feel confident. All right. Speak up
What?
yourself.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I got A to the 5th and B to the 5th.
How you get 5?
Exactly. Only get 5. Now, are they supposed to add?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but the A part, right, as a 5. Oh, I me get to A too, but the B part, oh, you get 5.
Get 9/2.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
me work out the square root part this first. So
Mm-hmm.
what me do is, because me look on the law we say, n a square root sign that, a raised to the power of m. So the law they say, when you have that, is a to the power mn, right?
Mm-hmm.
So me now say a, hey, me now say a raised to the power of 8/4. And
Mm-hmm.
then we say b raised to the power of 10/4. Sir, I write this so it done.
All right. Come. Make us see what it look like.
for 5. I love to start.
We're gonna take lunch money for tomorrow now. All right. Recall the nth root of a to the m is going to be equals to a to the m raised to the 1/nth, which is equals to a to the m over n. Oh gosh, come on, pen. So the nth root of a to the m is going to be equals to a to the m raised to the 1 over n, which is going to be equals to a to the m over n. So look at where m is. Look at where n is. So this now is going to be a to the 8/4 b to the 10/4 times a cube b squared. 8/4 is how much in?
2.
2.
Oh,
A squared. When you work out 10/4, we get in its lowest term.
5
5
over
over 2.
Good job.
Let me start this one.
A cube b squared. Recall. A to the m. Oh, come on. I think I'm writing too fast, so I'm there writing and the thing not receiving the stuff. A to the m plus n. So this now becomes a 2 plus 3 B 5 over 2 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. A to the 5th. Side work. Five over 2 plus 2 over 1. What's the LCM?
2.
2 into 2.
1.
1 times 5.
5.
1 into 2.
2.
2 twos.
4.
5 plus 4.
9 over 2. So, sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, that's the answer? 4. We
Just like
cannot
that.
cancel, like the 2 cancel the 2 before we find the LCM.
Which 2 cancel which 2?
When they put the 5 over 2 plus the 2 over the 1. The 2
Mhm.
couldn't cancel the 2.
No, ma'am. It's not a multiplication you're doing. It's an addition.
Sir,
So
give me one more.
if you're doing a multiplication, then it was cancel. But you're adding 5 over 2 plus 2 over 1. So that's the reason you can't cross multiply. You're adding. Remember the law says, when you're multiplying and the bases are the same, you add the powers. I will give you more, but I'm not going to give you any more right now. I need to move into something else. That was just a little warm up because I needed to go and charge my device. Yes, it's charging and charging nicely too. All right. Right not, I will generate. I mean, this question I just wrote out of my head, and I will. Sorry, I'll write more of these questions and as a little warm up in class.
Hold on, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Sorry for that part. For the side work, the 5 plus
Mhm.
4. How you get the 4 there, so?
1 into 2. One. How many times? Okay, let's just start. So 5 over 2 plus 2 over 2. How many times can 2 go into
Into the
2?
5? Into
No.
2,
How many?
1.
Mhm. And 1 times 5 is?
5.
How many times can 1 go into 2?
2.
And 2 times 2?
4.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Wait, sir. Wait, my friend.
One.
Sir, my last at a point there, sir.
Which point you last at?
All right, my follow it up to a squared b 5 over 2 times 3a cube b squared. Yes, I'm done.
But that's the question.
Yeah,
Wait.
but my last. Yeah, all right, it broke it down to a squared. When you break it down, a squared b 5 over 2 times a cube b squared.
Do you understand up to this point here that I just put that asterisk?
I do.
Okay, good. So you see, you understand how I get the 8 over 4, I get a squared, right?
Yeah, I understand that.
And the 10 over 4, I just divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2 to get 5 over 2. You see that?
Come again, say that again, please, sir.
10 divided by 4, I reduce it to its lowest term, so it becomes 5 over 2.
Ah, okay.
All right. And then now the a cube b squared, I just write it back. You see that?
Get that too.
Good. And then now the law says, recall a to the m multiplied by a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So what I'm doing is looking for all the a's and put them beside each other. And I do the same thing with the b's. So I have a squared and I also have a cube. So I'm just going to say a to the 2 plus 3. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And then the b now, I'm just putting the b's them together. So just going to write 1b and then put 5 over 2 plus 2. And then we're just going to work it out now. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So I get a to the 5th. And then now I'm going to have 5 over 2 plus 2. And that's what I did as a side work. Now, I feel, by the way, you see that now?
Yeah, I fall into there, yeah.
Mm-hmm. 5 over 2 plus 2. Any whole number can be written as a fractional number by adding 1. LCM here is 2. How many times can this 2 go into this 2? Your answer is?
With the one time.
Right. So I'm going to multiply this 5 by 1 to give me?
5.
5.
How many times can this 1 go into this 2?
2 times.
And 2 times this 2 is?
4.
And I'm
So, sir,
writing back this operation.
sir, all along, so we add fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I remember. Wait, may I try?
You see how you get the 9 right there, so even better now.
Mm-hmm.
Even though you just say.
All along, I saw it at them. All along. All right, let's move on. I have to
For
move
a
on.
long time when I do fractions, it just look weird.
And that's fine. Just practice now.
Good night, sir.
Good night, please.
Tevon said that he's running late. He's gonna join class.
Oh,
Tevon.
okay. Good. Thanks for the info.
Okay.
All right. So let us see if we can move into another area. I have to move on. Logarithms. No, let me just tell you. Logarithms is not bad. By the way, let me ask you, how you found indices?
So some of the questions left me in the seas.
Well, guess what? Guess what? The logarithms, I don't know where going to leave you. But in this logarithms is a little bit, um, it's like a notch more to the indices. But it's not bad. Indices, you have 9 laws to remember. Logarithms, you have only 3 laws. So it is a little easier, and and you find out now that one is married to the other. So I introduced the wife to you because the wives always here I'm going to get myself into trouble now. Always come with a lot of things, so that's why the wives get the 9 laws. And the husbands know will come with only the 3 something them. That's why the husband get the 3 laws. So you can call the wives the indices, and then the husbands know will be the logarithms. There's no way the husband logarithm can live without the wife indices. And I beg to also say, and vice versa. Indices cannot live without the husband logarithms. So you'll find that the two will have to work together. So the indices can say to the logarithms, I do not need you. Nor the logarithms say, I don't need you. My mother did teach me for wash, clean, and cook. I don't need you. Lies. Because logarithms will need the indices and indices will need the logarithms. So let us see now how both of them complement each other. So a logarithm, oh, come on. Denise, one to you.
Sir Joe, that trouble me.
So a logarithm is another word for an index or power. For example, who raised to the third power is equals to 8. And this is in the index form. By the way, do you agree that 2 to the third power equals 8?
Yes, sir.
Good. For those of you who don't see it yet, 2 to the third power is 2 times 2. Come on, a pinch. Sure. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. All
Sir,
right?
the ink on the previous class, man.
Yeah, but it look like, I don't know. It's, hmm. Let me see now. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know why it's not. All right, I will sort it for next class. I see that it's true. I mean, it is.
Even if you try to restart, sir.
No, sir. Next time I go restart, I can't come back to class. No, sir.
All right.
I'll fix it for next class. I apologize. I'll fix it for next class. All right, let's go. All right, then. So now let me read this for you, and I don't want to just read it. I want to also write it so you can see what it is that we're talking about. And for those of you, yes, you can jot in notes, but I don't want you to focus on trying to write at this point in time. I want you to see what it is that is happening, and so it is that we can have a conversation. So this is how I'm going to read it. Three is the power to which base 2 must be raised to obtain 8. Do you agree that 3 is a power?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree that 2 is a base?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree that the result is 8, don't?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So 3 is the power to which base 2 must be raised to obtain 8. Very good. So this is just one way that we're going to read it. Now, when the man come in the yard, the man want to say, yo, I mean, where the pants, So the man say, me not understand how you going like, you don't want to use my name, you just use your father name, and me name husband. So boss man come and say, yeah, we know, say, your father name Power. But my name is no logarithms. I mean, when you call me no Power logarithms, but when you drop Power and call yourself logarithms, so wife is say, all right, no problem, yeah, me know, say, me married to you and thing. So husband say, me want you say it that way, yeah. 3 is the logarithm which with a base 2 gives 8. And the two of those things are saying the same thing. So 3 is the power to which base 2 must be raised to obtain 8. Or I can say it another way around. 3 is the logarithm which, with a base 2, gives me 8. So you'll recognize now that what I was saying earlier, that logarithm is another word for index or power.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it a
Mm-hmm.
case that for an exam, when they ask we, or maybe that's English, but like when they ask we different ways how we can say it, like different ways how we can, explain the expression or something, the equation.
Well, that you're going to do in class with me now.
Okay.
That you're going to do in class with me now. So I'm going to give you some examples now. So, examples. Do you agree that 3 squares equals how much again? 6?
3 times
Oh,
3,
sir.
Nine.
9.
9, sir.
Good job, 9. Excellent, 9. 9. Can anybody in the class read that for me and tell me what that is saying? Read it for me.
Me, sir.
Go ahead.
So we tell as logarithm.
Whichever one you want to use.
May I use the logarithm? To me that say 2 is the power to which base 3 must be raised to obtain 9.
Is she correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. Try somebody's trying now with the logarithm one. Let me hear.
2 is the logarithm, which with a base 3 gives 9.
Is she correct?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Yes.
Good job. All right. No. I am going to go back to the first example. No, matter of fact, let me not use the first example. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say to you, all right, let me use the first example and show you something here. 2 to the third power is equals to 8. 3 is equals to log to the base 2 of 8. Now, tell me please, guys, what position is this 2 in?
Base.
Good job. What position this 2 is in?
Base.
Good job. So it's all about the base, about the base, about the base, about the base. So the base, when you convert it, will still be
Log.
in the base position. The base not gonna change. The power is what it's going to be equals to. True or false? Can you see that?
No, sir. Run that again.
The power is what is going to be equals to, because what I'm saying to you know is that 2 to the third is equals to 8. So I'm now saying that 3 is now going to be equals to log to the base a of 2. Anybody see that?
Sir, I would assume that.
Or sir, I'm not sure.
All
I'm
right.
lost.
All right. Hold on. Let us go. Press pause. Don't say nothing. Don't ask any question yet. We're going to look at mathematics is a study of patterns. Anytime you're doing any maths, a pattern we'll look for. Let us look for the pattern. I just identified a pattern for you. It's all about the base. The base 2, when we convert it, the base is still 2. Very good. So talk to me like a normal. The base is still 2. So what I'm saying to you is that the power is what is going to be equals to now. So 2/3 rubbishness. 2 raised to the third power equals 8. The power is what is going to be equals to. So you're going to have 3 equals to log to the base 2 of 8. Let us look at the example I just gave you. 3 squares equal 9.
Sir, 1 second. So 3 equal log 2 to the, so 8 will become the power now. That may I get confused with.
No, but look at the power now.
Why
Look at what
somebody
the
sit down and make the maths here?
No, man, hold on, man. No, man. Don't get. Remember, I did say to you, and one of the things about myself, I pride about myself is that I'm honest. I'm saying to you, it's not difficult, but it comes with, it's a different nomenclature. It's a different naming. So, if the one's gonna catch this, I'm not gonna catch it tonight before class done. If the one's gonna catch this, I'm not good to go. The topic becomes so much easier. All right? Let's go. Let's just look at the original question. 2 to the third equals 8. 2 to the third equals 8. Let us go. The power is going to be what it is equal to. Then we're going to have log to the base 2. Whatever base you are given up top, the base not change. You have 3 digits. That means the only other digit that is going to be left is 8. So you're going to have 3 equals, because the power is what it is equals to. 3 equals log to the base 2 of 8. Look at this example now. 3 squares equals 9. What's the base there?
3
And what's the power?
squared.
2.
So what would you write then?
I
2 equal log
To the base?
2.
the base of 2.
sir, I'd write 9 equal.
No, the
3
base of 3, sorry.
equal log 2 to the base of 9.
Can't be locked to the base 2 because we're now in base 3.
Alright, 2
So
equal
2 equal
2 equal
So
log
2 equal log 9.
no
2
equal
log to the base
log 3.
log to the base 3 of
9.
9.
9.
Oh.
What hard in that?
So sir, why you write the 3 down there so and then you put the 9 up there so?
Because this is a base. And that's a very good question. The base is supposed to be down there, so down at the tail of G. Do me a favor. Take out your calculators. Take out your calculators and look for log on the calculator for me, please. If you have a good calculator, you'll find log on it.
There were our 4.
Sir, so if me dey explain to you, say, so all along when we are say log this one calculator, I mean I know what is it. I know what it's understand.
No, you know what it is.
But when we not understand though, whoever sit down and make the maths here, them already say
Leave the people them alone. And they'll come load up the people. Don't talk to the people them strong. You understand? It is the mathematics that you complain about. Let me ask a question. Anybody here to live in a Portmore?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Are the mathematics build the Causeway Bridge here? Real talk. And if you know the history of Portmore, it's whenever it rain, you couldn't drive Mandela. Mandela flood out. Car wash up on Mandela Road already. Back then in the day, it is the mathematics that we're studying now that the man them use and calculate and raise the level of the road. So if you don't believe me, ask the parents. And for those of you who are old enough to know this, yeah man, right at the rear Corbett where Mandela reached rear Corbett. Matter of fact, along Mandela Highway, in the vicinity of the police station there, so they have one big enough little river. The boy them used to go down and go fish. Whenever it rain in that vicinity, trust me, you can't drive unless you drive big truck. So if you drive one little pot car, it'll go wash away. It is the mathematics that do that. The clothes that you wear is the mathematics that do the design on the fabric. So we can't custom the maths. Let's go. Just work with me. You will get it. I'm writing this. Don't want anybody to answer yet. I'm having a method to my madness tonight. Anne-Marie, your name comes up first on my list. Can you convert that from the index form to the logarithmic form for me, please? You recognize that this is indices? That's the index form, and this is a logarithmic form. So, Anne-Marie, come, talk to teacher. You're here to learn. If you don't catch it, nobody can laugh, and me alone can laugh. So, Anne-Marie, tell me, 5 squares equals 25. That is in the index form. I want you to convert it now to the logarithmic form. What do I write?
2 equal log 5.
Say to the base 5.
What is it, sir?
Say to the base 5.
To the base 5.
25. Of 25. What harder than that?
Sir, in a art, man, that's when they actually give you the question to work.
Yeah.
I feel like that's gonna be the challenge.
And guess what? We're not challenging you because we're going to overcome it. Very good, Annie. You what? Come, your turn. You what? Say, what should I do? What should I do for you? You what?
Something easy.
That's what you thought. You see, because I said that A to the B equals C. You what?
Then Jesus.
Come, you what?
Jesus is correct.
Don't disappoint me. Come.
Oh, what answer?
Sorry for interrupting. Sorry, you can color code the answer like you have it in green up at top. You can use green for the answers.
Okay, then. No problem.
Yeah.
I could do that.
Ready for me, sir?
Born ready. Come, talk to teacher.
So B is equal to, how will I say this again? So B is equal, wait, let's tell you.
Now wait for you, man.
So B is equal to the, what do you call it? B is equal to log. What do you say, to the base of A? Right, so yeah, B is equal to log C to the base of A. And that's what I'm supposed to say?
Log to the base A of
C.
Am right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pick up
Yes, it's
yourself.
correct.
Hey, you what? You can't tell nobody say let's school long time, brother. Wow. Brother, walks off that. Right? When you want to say something about him, say, Jesus, peace. Then I saw the man wicked. Every time he has a player number and the man come give me A, B, and C. Jesus, you what? Pick up yourself. You can buy a teacher a beer. All right, nice. So what I'm saying to you students is just look at the pattern. A to the B equals C. B is equals to log to the base A of C. You know what I'm doing there? It's one of the laws that I'm developing, And then you can be able, do you recognize that your answer is in the logarithmic form? But the question here says in the index form.
Yes, sir.
So what you're doing is converting from the index form to the logarithmic form. All right. Let me see now. Let me see now. Let me see now. Let me see now. Who I have one of the classes, see? Yeah, man, Jordan is asking, is everyone understanding? That's a very good question. Are you all understanding?
So far, sir. So
Good
far.
Yes,
job.
sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Can't get no one still. Let me try.
And that, me say me go put one wicked one on the board, but me want to try find who me supposed to
Sir, not
give.
do with that, man.
No, man. You not understand, man. So me have to give him something for just not up on. Fabian, I don't know why I'm looking at your name, Fabian, but hold on. Let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny. Stewie, I'm going to call upon you, Stewie. Stewie, you good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Actually, she started laughing already, She said, Jesus, Father. All right, Stewie. Oh, what should I give Stewie, oh Lord?
What are
What should
you
I give?
doing?
What should I give Stewie? Oh, I'm find it now. Well, not have to worry again. You're find it. Watch it now. See here? Boom. Brighter. Yes. Stewie.
Sir, you're too excited, you know.
Stewie, watch this. 1/5 squared equals 25. Only Stewie, I don't want to answer it, Stewie, don't disappoint me, Or else if you go beat me, a gizzard.
Sir, I'm not seeing it.
I mean, you not see it. Anybody
Maybe,
seen it?
yes, sir. Maybe need to draw up
Sir,
your
the
white.
base is 5.
I'm seeing it.
Yeah, man, look on it again, man.
Base
Tell
is
me if you
5,
see.
sir.
Probably need to move our screen.
Move the screen, Stewie.
Okay, gotcha now.
All
Okay.
right, come Stewie, come talk to teacher.
All right. So it's 2 equal log what is it? To the 1/5 base. Oh, you said that.
You say it good.
Of 25 or to 25.
Bop. If robot the 225 and say off 25.
To 20.
Sure.
No, say off.
Say off. Say off. Yesterday it says 2 again.
Of 25. Sorry.
Oh man. Very nice though. Very nice. So there's nothing more to it than this. Me not do no more example on this,
Go
But
by your
guess what?
work you out and get all 10.
Yeah, man. I eat that. Over phone a ring.
My own, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, man. So, students, trust me, there's nothing more to it than this. But guess what? No. Henry, it's when you come to class and don't talk to teacher, teachers when they give you work to do. And only because you don't talk to me today in class, I am going to give
And
you
you want
something.
give my reverse one.
Oh, so. Henry,
Jody
I
and
want
your kid.
I want to start. Oh, this thing now. Okay. Leroy, Henry, I want you now to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form. So I want you to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form. No. Tum 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 tum. All right.
So, sir,
Yes, please.
this is how it's going to be on the exam sheets. Just
It's you will get this on the like the multiple choice, but I am doing this because I'm doing this because I'm building up for something else in the
Building
logarithms.
up to the killer.
I'm building up to something else. So, Henry, I gave it a logarithmic form. Log to the base 5 of 125 is equals to 3. Listen to who I'm calling it, guys. Because when you know the nomenclature, which is also naming, big word, we want some bright tonight, nomenclature. When you know how to name the something and to read it, you sound bright. Right? And you learn. So it's log to the base 5 of 125 equals 3. Log to the base 5 of 125 is equals to 3. Now, in Jesus' name, hear me out before the Enroy answer. Me no want nobody write this. Give me log 5. Come on, pen. Oh, come on. Log 5, 125. Rubbishness. That don't make no sense. Nobody know right now log 5, 1, 2. This 5 supposed to come down this, so it is to the base, and that's why I want you to read it like how I'm giving it to you. Log to the base 5 of 125, so that you know that you can write it in the base form. All right? Please and thanks. Henry, your turn.
Henry, you got this.
Henry?
Yes, sir.
So, brother, may I talk to you and respond to me, brother?
Man, Henry sleeping as well.
Come on, Henry. Come talk to teacher, man. Henry?
So I'm gonna catch it.
No, brother, you can't do that to teacher, man. No, you no, man. Class are going good, man. You come you just, brother, you can't do
Anyway,
that, man.
look on
Look on
anyone
number 4. Look on number
number
4.
4. You
Example
reverse
them.
it.
Look on number
Any
4
one of
and,
them.
and reverse it. Look where the number them. A 3 set of number them in right. 3 number. The one that have 5, 125, and 3. You have 3 set of number. Look on the number 4 up top there, so, and look and tell me how me write it. Yeah,
5,
come on.
the base 5. 5, 5
Mm,
or 5, the base 3.
No, man, come again. Start again.
5 to the 5 over
All right.
3.
Henry, when you do, you see the one in the green? We say 2 equals log to the base 1/5 of 25. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Good. And you see when we do it up top, or we get it as 1/5 squares is equals to 25. Look where the 2 there. Look where the something them there, and just give me back like that. When we write first, say base. When we write first, say base no. Watch out, you're not in human. Henry, which one you write
So,
first? Say base.
so right, the, the 5 yes, first, sir.
Right. So what am I to write first, Henry?
The 5.
Good, thank you, sir. What do I write next, Henry? Brother, come the man. Hmm.
Sir, want to help you?
No, Henry, I forgot to learn it in class tonight. Because Henry, I sit down there and not understand, and Henry never tell me say him not understand. So I forgot to talk to me tonight. Come, Henry. Um, the 5 is correct. Look at the one before and look to see where the power is. I need something with a power. Look to see where the power is. Which of them will use the power? Which of them you think is going to be the power?
3, sir.
Okay. And tell a friend I just tell you a while ago, thank you. And then what am I going to do? Come to Henry, man. I'm right now.
The last two things, them when you not write it and write out of the something with the so. Or we not use it.
Come on, Papa.
Number
Three,
next
so what we use?
equal to how much anyway?
You got what? Log 125?
No, you're not gonna write the log because the indices form you write it in. So equal to what?
125?
Right.
Okay. All right.
I
So
still understand that, sir.
don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I want you now to look back at what you just said to me and see if that makes sense. Let us check it. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Does that make sense mathematically?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it does. So, what needs to happen? I said something a while ago that the base is always the base is always the base. So, if I gave you log to the base 5 of 125 equals 3, and you are converting, I said 3. Watch this story up here, so. And that's why I write it in so you can have it. A logarithm is another word for an index or power. So for example, 2 to the third power equals 8. It means, say, 3 is a logarithm to which base 2 must be raised to give you 8. Or 3 is a power rather. Or I can say 3 is a logarithm with a base 2, I'll go give me 8. So what I want you to do into next exercise is to convert from the logarithmic form to the index form and vice versa. Converting from the logarithmic form to the index form and vice versa. It's very important to logarithms. And that's why I'm saying to you that indices cannot exist without logarithms. But I need to say something before we close off tonight. There are almost 40 of you in the class. I'm seeing 35. I went up to as many as 38, I believe, tonight. And there are students who are not here. There are two, I got apologies for 2 students. So we are about 40 something. Hear me out. Students, I think I am an approachable teacher. I think I make the learning environment conducive for learning. I think even though it's mathematics, Mr. Shand makes a class a way that we want to learn. Well, that's what I believe that I'm doing. All right? If you are not
Sir, I can
sorry,
vouch for I can
go
vouch
ahead.
for you, sir. I did pre-cal in my first I failed it, sir. But I do
Mm-hmm.
it at first year. I'm gonna fail it
Mm-hmm.
because I just when I left my son wrong, I just could connect with the teacher. So I understand.
Mm-hmm. Nice. But guess what? No. What I want all of you in the class to do is to say to me, sir, we not understand. A while ago when I started this, some of the students in class say, sir, we not understand this and so forth and so on. And them catch it. No. So even if you don't want to say it out in that class, send me a direct message and I can see it and I can go through the stuff. Students, hear me out. I beg of you. A lot of you don't have anybody at home to help you with what it is that you are doing. And when you leave the class without fully understanding what is happening, and you go over it on your own and you still can't catch it, you kiss your teeth and fling down the book. And then I'm going to come to class now and say, okay, so we did this last week. We're going to build on something else. All the build me, I build you now. Build with me because you're last from the class before. I'm saying it to you. I beg of you. Focus in class. Try and understand what is happening. All of you. Because there are other students in the class who are not understanding. And that's why I'm calling out the names. I'm calling you out. All right, let's go. Please, please. I am not upset. I'm only giving you words of advice. All right. So, you know what? I have all right. All right, I'm gonna give you some do now. I will end the class with those. All of you start writing, please. And I'll call upon different ones of you to tell me the answer. I'll just write the answer to the side of that. Mm. Quick and fast. 3 minutes.
Who is this sentence about? Right. The boy. The subject of this sentence is the boy. Now let's look at the next one. Sentence about.
Sir, for number 4, y is equal to what's that? 7 or z?
Z.
Sir, what's at number 5? 1G?
LG.
LG. Okay.
Finish? Incidentally, LG is a shortening for log. All right. So sometimes you go on the exam paper, instead of putting LOG, they put LG. It's not life's good, the brand. It's log.
Sir, what is that?
Raised
Z
to
is Z yes and number 4?
Z is at number 4, yeah. Z. We
sir,
write go
LG
ahead.
raised to 1,000.
LG 1000. All right. I don't expect you to get number 5, so let's just move on. Converting the go
Answer.
ahead. All right, 1 more minute.
You get number 5, so when you're ready.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, number 5 not hard.
It's not hard, no, sir. Let me know when I can go, please.
So, sir,
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let me try number 2.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll be 5 raised to the fourth equal 625.
Good job. Somebody
And
else. Go
oh,
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All
so the
right.
other
Uh-huh.
little bit 1/2 raised to the power 4 equal 2.
1/2 raised to the power what?
4
Mm.
equal
So
2.
Sir, I put a bracket.
bracket
Yeah,
bracket
open bracket half,
close
close bracket
So
square
power
equal
2.
4
Number 4 would
power
be
4.
x raised to the z power.
Sorry,
Y
sorry. So you have to put the bracket for
Yeah,
number
man.
3.
Yeah, man, because Ron's talking about a fraction.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
All right.
Number 3,
Somebody said
1.
him get number 5. More here, number 5.
I just wanted
10
to
to
raise
the
to
3, sir.
So
Huh?
what when raised by the power of 3 give you 1000?
You tell me.
10.
Good job. And I put that there to show you what is happening. It's when you're not seeing a base there, so you're going to assume base 10. When you're not given a base, you're going to assume what base?
10.
Good.
Sir, all the
And
time.
all the time. And LG is the same thing as LOG. All right? LG is the same thing as LOG. So whenever you're not seeing a base, assume base 10. When you're not seeing a base, assume base 10. Always. All right. I have 5 minutes. I'm going to give you 5 questions to be done in 3 minutes. And then we're going to end the class there.
So I'm going to have to log off. I'm going for my son.
All right, then. Quick. No, you can't. Give me 2 minutes now, please, Mom.
Sir, then come from 8:30 to come for him.
Lord Jesus. All right, go on. Because I pay enough more money.
Sir.
All right, cool. All right. So I want you to do this from in the um
Sir, before, can you please send a screenshot of this? Please.
sure. Sure. Index form to the logarithmic form. I'm going to give you 5 of them. Up to this pin man story. Jeez. All right. I don't know why this pin is. All right. Start with that one for me, please.
Sir, you give me that one already, you know?
I did.
Yeah.
All right. See, I'm making these up, and all right. Let me give you this one. Thanks for paying attention here. 49. 7 squares equals to 49. Um. All right. That's all I'm going to give you. The pen not take too long for write here, so I'm going to just give it those 3. Incidentally, you guys are doing well. All right, for the most part.
So you want answers now or when everybody's finished?
Well, I'm gonna finish everybody now because it's almost time. So um,
Ready, man.
all right, cool. So
Good
talk to me
night
then.
again, sir.
Good night, please.
I wasn't able to, pay attention on the board or on the screen because I was
Hmm.
traveling.
Hmm.
However, is this recording going to be available?
Yeah, man.
Because,
Always. I mean, I'm sending off the recordings a little later on. As soon as this one becomes available, I'm
okay, but
uploading them. Come on.
tonight?
Tonight. As soon as it becomes available.
Okay,
If
great.
it becomes
Thank
available
you.
tonight, I'll send it off. Yeah, man. Cool.
On Canvas, right?
No, man. On my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel? What is the YouTube?
Lord Jesus. Brittany, you remember the thing, Brittany?
I can try and find it and send it out.
Oh,
Put it in the
Okay, you can
put
send
it
it in the group. Thank you.
or put it in the description, Brittany, please.
So what I think I joke there and make and be sarcastic with her. You actually have a YouTube where we can go watch?
A joke too.
Yes.
Yeah, he actually has a
I thought
YouTube,
you
but I
were
don't
being
know, remember what it
sarcastic.
is.
I will look for it and send it off. Yeah, man. I know play things we are dealing with, you know. Good something, you know. All right, let's go. Um, 1 minute. From the logarithmic to the from the index to the logarithm, what do I write, please?
Log to the base 7 of 49 equal to 2. Number 2 is log to the base of 8 for
8?
I want what?
A. Sorry.
Oh.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So the 1 is equal to 0.
Continue.
Okay,
Log
and then the next one. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Log to the base of 9
9.
to
1
the
over
power
20
of 1 over 27
is equal
equal
to
3 over 2.
Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
How we say bright.
so if
How
I can
we say bright.
so if we put
Big
the
up
equal
on
I know we say bright enough because me not get it yet. So when me get it, then you can say, oh, we say bright.
all right, but guess what? Me I say bright, you know, because me I claim it. It when I go on,
Sir,
man. Yes,
sorry,
please.
you know what happened?
Why
Uh-uh.
me write it reverse?
so I ask him, I let me tell you, I ask
Okay,
him
we come right the 3 over 2
That's the
equal
same
to the
thing
log.
as well.
no
No
problem with
Because
her.
problem.
I
It's
have
an equal sign, so you can read it two ways. If you have 3 over 2 equals log to the base 9 of 1 over 27, you still get full marks.
All right.
okay. Okay, oof.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right, guys, you did well.
Sir, what you
Uh,
say? You have it, what you say, sir?
say it again. You know,
What did
couldn't find-
you say? If you have 3 over 2 equal what?
Yeah, if you have 0 equals log to the base a of 1, you're fine.
Is that mean you have, sir, me
Yeah,
mark
man.
out my page and start over. Sorry.
No, so for no, man, you're going with things, man. I'm trying to find. Hold on. Let me don't leave yet.
Oh, sir.
Let me log
For
on to. Go ahead. I'm hearing you.
um, No, it's just just a general statement. The peer counseling unit, I know we may not want to use their resources, but there are resources available. You can give them a call, or if you go to the school, as is on the in the main building, when you pass up the accounts door, their room is the next one. They do have some resources you guys can make use of. They are going to interview some persons to, if you want to be one of their peer person counselors, you can go in and sign up to do it. Or I think they have positions for advisors, I think, something of the sort. But those
And
options
you're
are
correct.
available. And we are evening students, and there are not a lot of evening students. It's mostly day students that they have. So if you have, if you feel like you have the time, or you can, fit in something, you can take advantage, you can use that opportunity.
Brittany, I think you should say that in the group.
Yes, say
Yeah,
what
no
you said in the group,
problem.
because and I didn't hear what you said a while ago.
All right, no problem.
Okay, hold on. Don't move. Don't move. No, I want to. Oh lordy, lordy! I need to send to everyone meeting group chat. All right. So what I've done here is over the years, over the semesters, I just sent it in the chat. You can put it in the description. Over the years, I have dumped all my recordings in my YouTube. So you will
I sent the
see.
link in the group, sir.
Okay, great, thanks. Oh, so you get it 2 times. Good job. So you will have access to all these recordings. And so now a little later, I'm gonna put on this semester one you'll see, but you can go through the channel and you can find other recordings there relating to pre-calculus.
Sir, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Sir, will there ever be a case where they give us the logarithmic form and so tell us that we should convert it to indices form and then tell us to work out the indices form?
That's exactly what we're gonna do for next class. Thank you. And on that note, I will say good night and have a good night's rest. Big up on yourself.
Good night, sir.
Good
You man
night,
take care.
sir.
You man take
Good
care.
night, sir.
No
Hi,
problem.
sir. Can you add me to the group, please, before you leave? Sorry.
What's your number? What's your number?
It's 531
Mm-hmm.
9123.
23.
Yeah, so that's 531 9123.
All right, no problem.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Special.
Yeah, man.
Before you leave, is there anything going to be done about the classes session for today?
The class what?
What's business statistics and your class?
Oh, so there's a clash between is my class and business stats?
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna come out by your class.
You know, sir, I thought somebody said to me it was business stats and business calculus that clash. I never knew it was pre-calculus. Ouch.
Thursday.
All right, let me look into it now, please.
All right, sir. Thanks.
No, but hold on.
Yes, sir.
Business calculus and pre-calculus?
No, man. Business statistics and pre-calc.
No, man, but you shouldn't be doing two. I would drop the business stats. Send me an email, now, please. Let me talk over email.
All right, sir.
Yeah, man, cool. Big up.
Thank
Good night, sir. Good night, everyone.